Hi moms, I'm Eshaa. I'm a therapist and a counseling psychologist. Hope you're doing really well. And today we're gonna talk about mom rage. Picture this, it's around. Let's talk about the impact mom rage can have on your children or on your families. Especially when it's left untreated, it can definitely impact your children because children do often sense the stress that you're going through and the way that you're feeling when they witness the anger that you have. They might feel afraid or sometimes even responsible for their mom's anger. If they do develop that fear, it can impact them, especially if it's persistent. Constant observers and they pick up on everything. Watching your outbursts of anger can result in undesirable behavior sometimes, like emotional and behavioral problems, attachment and relationship issues, repeating your behavior like yelling or screaming, and even becoming overly obedient because you're afraid to piss you off. Mom rage, if left undealt with, can also result in your relationship with your partner. It might sometimes create resentment and pull you away from them as well. If you feel that resentment building, communication is so important. Setting time away from your kids, doing things as a couple is also very important. Even speaking to a couples counselor goes a very long way in helping you manage your lives better. And now that we've covered so much about mom rage, here's a disclaimer. Mom rage is treatable, it's not abnormal, and it's absolutely okay if you're going through it. One of the best options for mom rage is therapy, counseling, support groups, taking care of yourself, acknowledging what you're going through, telling yourself that you're okay and you'll get through it, talking to your mom friends often so you don't feel by yourself, getting enough sleep, setting boundaries, asking for help. There are so many ways to cope, but if you still feel like you're not able to deal with it on your own, just know that you're just one step away from asking for help. You got this.